Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am here to show you how to unpack your J.A. Roby wood cook stove. So directly behind me you can see it's kind of partially crated but not a full crate. So this is how it's going to come. It comes on a wooden pallet here, and then you do have sides that go all the way around it, and then it's going to be covered in cardboard boxing. So I'm going to talk you guys through how to open this up to properly inspect your stove for any damage, and then also we'll get into unwrapping the stove and show you what comes with it. Okay guys, I'm giving you a side angle of the crate here on your J.A. Roby cook stove. So we do let you know to inspect the stove for delivery damage. Now it's super easy. This cardboard is literally just stapled on, so you literally just grab it, pull open the sides here, and then directly behind is going to be the stove completely wrapped in plastic wrap. Okay, so we do not expect you to like uncrate this whole thing and take the plastic wrap off, okay? Your truck driver is not gonna wait around for that. So you can clearly see here, there's no penetrations through the plastic wrap, no rubs, everything looks great from the front of the stove. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the rear of the stove because we did have a little bit of minor damage on this shipment. This is the rear of the stove, the damage that I was mentioning. So clearly, look, there's a penetration through your plastic wrap. That is clue number one. Now you can see this is the rear of the stove, and it looks like something literally just rubbed here. So you can tell the black paint rubbed off the stove. This is what we call minor delivery damage. Okay, you can make a small note on the bill of lading just in case you find any other damage. You know, small dent on rear of stove, potential for further damage. Give us a call, we would send you out touch-up paint to get this fixed up. So yeah, otherwise the rest of the stove did arrive in perfect condition. So as you can see, we did remove the crating off of the side of the stove. Super easy. Literally, I got one of my male helpers to come, and he had strong hands. He literally just pulled off the nails with his hands, and it popped right off, and the top came off. So now we're gonna unpackage the stove. Right here, I just have a handy dandy pocket knife. Ooh, and actually, you know what? I see a little damage on this corner on the front of the stove that I didn't previously see. However, remember how I showed you the damage on the rear of the stove and then I said you make a small note? So that's the reason you do that. So if you see like any minor damage, and even if you're like, oh, it's a paint scratch, I can paint it, no big deal. You want to note it down on that bill of lading. And the reason for that is because if you start unpacking your stove and you start seeing other scratches or something, you know, more like broken glass or broken fire bricks, once you get in there, then you already have a note to go off of with the shipping company. So we do file the claim on your behalf, but that kind of information is very important for us. If it is not noted, the shipping company will deny the claim. Okay, so keep that in mind. So super basic here, yeah, we just go through, we cut it, we open it up, and then I'll show you what's inside. If you guys like our videos, if you find them helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like our videos, share them with our friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.